Yo, starting off with Earn by Time today. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is awful. Got a McDonald's going just under 8 miles. I don't know why they gave me this order. Most of the mileage is getting to the restaurant itself. I'm the guy for this job.
Welcome to McDonald's. Will you be using the mobile app today?
Thank you. Total for that was $7. Not even $1 per mile. Great start, DoorDash. Love it. Next order up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is going 4.5 miles.
Alright, here you are.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
Total for that one was $8 and change. Ooh. So that one was better than the other one is what you're telling me. Just got the next order. This is a McDonald's, $10 going 4 miles.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. Meet outside. Fine, but no autographs. Hello.
Hello.
For AJ?
Yep.
Perfect. There you are.
All right. Thank you so much.
Have a good day. Well, that was easy. And it only took, what is that? 5 plus 4, 9 minutes? Really? Oh boy. Is this what we're doing today? We got a high mileage Wendy's. This one is going 8 miles.
Thank you for choosing Wendy's. So I can get started for you. There you go.
Thank you.
Have a good one.
You too. Well, that one took forever. There's surprisingly a lot of traffic right now, and I'm not sure why. It's still really early. Total for that order was $12. Next up is a Starbucks. This is $10 going 6 miles. Thank you. You too. Ooh, I'm gonna be honest, I didn't even look at what restaurant this was, but now I'm kind of regretting it. I just saw $7, 2 miles, and accepted it. This is a Wendy's.
Welcome to Wendy's.
That'll be just a couple of moments. So if you want to pull right up there, we'll bring it all out to you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up is a Black Rock coffee. This one is $8 going 4.5 miles.
Have a good day today.
Thank you.
See you soon.
Next up is a stack. I think this person just ordered twice, actually. So it's the same restaurant going to the same person. This is Kitchen Table Cafe going just under 8 miles. And it was actually 2 orders. Is it all together?
Oh.
She ordered twice, so I don't know if it's all in one bag or...
Let me go check on
It was just, the other one was a ham side, so it's like just one thing.
I'll go check.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Yes, here's that ham side for you.
Thank you. You can just set it down.
All right.
Thank you.
Bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Total for that one was $16. Okay. Actually a good order. What is this? Shop and deliver for Safeway, $9 going 4 miles, 4 items. Yeah, why not? Kind of want to stretch my legs anyways. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a shop and deliver for Target. $10 going 4 miles, 4 items. Tell me why that iron cost $80. Got this as I was dropping off. This is Taco Bell, $8 going 3.5 miles.
Here you go.
Thank you.
No problem.
I am starving, so gonna call it here. Current time is 9:52. Current total is 91, and waiting on Uber tips. I have no idea what it's gonna be because it was like 3 or 4 back to back. So I'll throw up the total whenever those come in. Pretty decent day, I'd say, besides the really high mileage orders at the start. But anyways, that's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.